Here are 3 mistakes that new traders make that you definitely want to be aware of so that you know how to avoid them. Number 1 is improper expectations or unhealthy expectations. This happens to a lot of new traders because we're excited to get started in trading. We know the power that it can create in our lives and we really want it to be a reality. So we develop these unhealthy expectations. An example would be you starting with $500 and your goal is to make $1 million this year. Okay, that's not a healthy expectation. It's a great dream, but not a healthy expectation. So we want to start with things that are achievable so that we continue on our journey without getting sidetracked. The second thing would be impatience. Okay, patience is going to be a huge part of trading. So if we're acting in an impatient manner, it's going to sidetrack all kinds of important things that we need to do in our trading. So again, understand that this is a journey. You are on a learning process and just be patient with that and accept the process as it is. You're going to go through a lot of growth during this. And so being patient is important. Impatience, definitely a detriment to your progress. And then the third, not necessarily in order of importance, because this one is big, is lack of discipline. Okay, you're going to develop rule sets. We're going to help give you those. It's really important that you operate in discipline to your rule sets. Okay, as you create those, you're going to realize how important it is to act within the guidelines. And that's not really for us to tell you, although we'll guide you, but acting out of a lack of discipline is a real problem for a lot of traders. And the quicker we learn to get through that and act within our plans, the better off we are. So, in review, we want to have proper expectations, we want to be patient, and we want to act in discipline, right? Those are the positive things we want to remember. So let's do those 3 things and we'll be on a much straighter path to success.